Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 Kia Carnival, stock number 7261. It's ran from the 12th 2014 to the 10th 2020. It has a T4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder 2-bed diesel engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission. And this is the T4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder 2-bed diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory Magna tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory Magna tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 18-inch factory Magna tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door, light fold in the front, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory Magna tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,